Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you where you can buy an Independence Day gift card in the Zomato app. Just open the app, click on your profile in the top right corner, scroll down until you find the money section and then tap on buy gift card. Wait a little bit and the first option is the Independence Day gift card. You can choose from two designs here and then you can customize the money. Also you can add the personal message and then click on continue. After that you may have to verify your phone number and then also add the payment details, but then that's basically it. I hope it will be useful.